It's the day of the week where I share with you guys how much we spent as a family of four living in the Philippines. Sunday, we spent 1,000 pesos for gas. We went to a birthday party that day without spending more since we bought the gift last week. Comes Monday, we spent 3,681 pesos. We went grocery shopping and buy essentials for 3,180, and we also do some takeouts for only 501. Tuesday naman is the biggest expense of the week. We spent a total of 15,131 pesos. 12,500 goes to our 1 week accommodation in Calasiao, Pangasinan. We also spent 1,500 pesos for gas, car wash for 300 pesos, and toll fee for 831. Wednesday is still zero spent day for us. It's because may baon kami galing from Manila. We went to Tindaligan Beach right away pagdating namin kinahapunan, but didn't spend any dahil nagbaon kami ng food. On Thursday naman, we spent a total of 916 pesos. 320 pesos goes to drinks that we order for takeout. We bought 5 kilos of rice for 275 pesos and other essentials, including drinking water for 321. Friday, we spent a total of 1,460 pesos. It's market day for us. We bought fruits, vegetables, and some fish and spent 980 pesos for that. And then on the way home, dumaan kami ng 7-Eleven and spent 480 pesos for snacks. Come Saturday naman, we spent a total of 1,865 pesos and 75 cents. We bought inihaw na bangus for lunch and longganisa for 220 pesos. And before going to Bismali Beach, dumaan kami muna for a quick stop sa Robinsons to buy essentials like tissue papers. So this week, we spent a total of 24,053 pesos and 75 cents. Nasa Pangasinan kami ngayon guys, enjoying the province life and life na medyo malapit sa beach. Kaya yung mga bata kapag hapon may off-screen time sila, hindi sila nakakapag-phone. That's it for today guys. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!